It was a great privilege and honor for myself and my delegation to be received in audience by His Excellency the Vice President. He was pleased with the progress which has been jointly made by Sudan and the United Nations together in achieving the timelines set by the Security Council of the United Nations for the drawdown of all the military and police component of UNAMID, except those small numbers which are required as a guard unit. He complimented both teams, the Sudanese teams and the UN team, for working together. I had the opportunity to introduce to His Excellency the Vice President the new officer in charge of UNAMID, Mr. Houston Ferguson, who is also now the liquidation coordinator, and we presented a target of completing the liquidation process between now and 30th June 2022, but hopefully before. Both the United Nations and His Excellency the Vice President greatly welcome the leadership and the work of the Joint Task Force, which has enabled the successful achievement of the target of the drawdown, and were convinced that the drawdown will be followed by an equally successful and timely liquidation. His Excellency the Vice President indicated to me the extremely important and several achievements of the Juba Peace Agreement process, JPA implementation process, which have been recorded since 11th of March of this year by the committee under the chairmanship of His Excellency the Vice President, and I had the opportunity and the honor to congratulate him on these diverse achievements and to assure him of the continued support of the United Nations and its agencies, funds and programs with regard to social and economic development of the country and efforts of the country to return the internally displaced persons to their places of origin. I want to say a big thank you through this mechanism to the people of Sudan, to the people of Darfur, and of course to the government of Sudan, to the Vilayat of Darfur, to the Wali of North Darfur and others for the strong attachment which everybody has demonstrated toward the principles and purposes of the Charter of the United Nations, and to effective work together for benefit of the people of this country. Thank you very much. Shukran jazilan. And since we have Eid in a few days, I wish through you everybody a very happy Eid al-Adha.